When it comes to your overall makeup look, the one thing that you definitely want to spend your time on and your money on is the right foundation. Because once you have the right foundation, your overall look looks perfected. So when you're looking at trying to figure out which foundation to choose for you, what I want you to do, honestly, is to look at your collarbone area. Don't look at your face, don't look at your hands, don't try to match your neck. You want to look at your décolleté or collarbone. This is where you want to match your foundation because our face is always 2 shades lighter, our hands are 2 shades darker, and our neck is a lighter shade as well. So when you want that uniform, natural foundation look, you want to make sure that you're matching right here. So when you want to think about undertones, you're going to look at the undertones that shine through on your décolleté area. If you blush easy, you're going to flush right at your chest area. That means you need to go for a foundation that has a pinky undertone. If you are more of a medium beige with those golden yellowy undertones, meaning you tan easily, then you definitely want to make sure that you're going for a foundation that has more of your yellow bases to it. So foundation can be tricky, but with Pure we make it super simple. So just follow us on the TVSN website and we'll walk you straight through it.